Okay, so it's been a little while since I treated myself to a brand new vacuum, especially after the Sprinter skate incident, but we won't go into that. So I thought I'd treat myself to a brand new Pacvac. They've been around for a long time, since 1978 I believe, proudly made in Australia, and these were the original backpack vacuum. I've got a backpack vacuum already. I've got a Nilfisk vacuum, which is a pretty good little machine, but it hasn't really got the power to kind of deal with the stuff I deal with. So I'm hoping this will be a little bit more powerful and better at coping with the real heavy stuff. So this is what you get in the box. You've got the main unit itself. I love the design of these. The thing I love the most about them is the clear top, which I think is awesome. You can see when it's full, you can see the dirt whizzing around, and if you happen to pick up anything you didn't really want to, you can see where it's gone and pick it out easily, which is good. One thing I'm a little bit disappointed about is the fact they've taken away the power takeoff, which used to be next to the cord inlet there. I was hoping to be able to run one of my power heads with this, but yeah, they've taken that off. It's a shame, but not to worry. Yeah, it's not on that side either. What I have done is I've got a regular kind of aero brush. These can be purchased quite cheaply. I think this one was about 12 quid, and yeah, that should hopefully boost the performance on carpets a little bit. So what do you get in the box? You get a dual purpose floor tool. Unfortunately it's one of the plastic based ones. It is a Wessel or Vessel Work branded one, and they do make probably the best floor tools. I'm not a big fan of the plastic based ones though. They're just not particularly nice to use. I've done a few reviews on these in the past and none of them are particularly great. What I am happy about is this one. This is another Vessel Work design, and these are really useful. Really good for low pile carpet and hard floors, really easy to use, and yeah, probably a pretty good option for a commercial environment, to be honest. 3 small tools, upholstery tool, tiny little crevice tool, and a little dusting brush, which I think should, yeah, I think they fit into the harness somewhere actually, so you can access them easily. Yeah, there's little loops there, so you can keep your small tools about your person when you're working. You get a free filter bag, which is handy, so if you need to wash one, you've always got a spare. 2 decent quality chrome wands, instructions, 18 meter cable. It's a nice orange high-vis cable as well, and a hose and some bags. So I believe you've got the option to sort of use this with just the filter bag, but obviously always recommend using it with a paper bag. It just makes it a lot easier to empty. It's better for the machine, and keeps it performing longer as well. So here we are. This is the Pacvac Superpro 700. Really looking forward to trying this one out actually. Like I say, I've got a backpack vacuum already. It's quite an old one, and it's really useful for some of the work I do, especially the sites with lots of stairs and things like that. So yeah, keep watching, and I'll be putting this through its paces in the next couple of weeks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Right, welcome back. Here we are again with the Pacvac Superpro 700. I've taken it to a few of my bigger sites, and they're usually the dirtier ones as well because they've got quite a lot of foot traffic going through them. And I've got to say I'm pleasantly surprised with the Pacvac. It's been a really effective bit of kit. As you can see, it's pretty damn full now, but there's been no huge drop off in power, which has been great. I was kind of expecting it, to be honest, for a machine of its size. It's only got 5 litre capacity compared to, say, my Kerstar KV10's 9 litres. So the area it's got to fill with dirt is smaller. But in its defence, it's done really well. There's been no huge drop off in performance. It's a really good quality little machine. Really impressed with the quality of it. Everything feels nicely made. The tools are decent. Which is unusual these days. On a commercial vac, you get some atrocious quality tools on some commercial vacs out there, which really let the machine down. But no, this is really nicely put together. It's comfortable to wear. I could wear it for 3-4 hours at a time, and it doesn't really bother me that much. I've not had a bad back or anything like that. I've not got much to say in terms of criticisms, really. I mean, it's a really likeable little machine. I guess if I really wanted to sort of split hairs, I mean, the tool storage on the harness, I mean, could be a little bit secure. I found that the tools kind of fell out on occasions, so I mean, that's a very minor quibble. But like I say, overall it's been a really decent little machine. Again, maybe another minor criticism is the lack of a power takeoff. I know that's quite a recent thing they've decided to do, is take the power takeoff off the machine, so you're not able to use it with a power head anymore, which is a shame. But to be honest, I'd probably just get my Cibo BS out, one of my other uprights, if I'm at a site where there's plenty of carpet. But to be fair, even with a standard floor tool or an air-driven turbo head, it's pretty effective. It does a fairly good job. I've not been disappointed with it at all. So there we go. The Pacvac Superpro 700 gets a big thumbs up from me. It's a great little machine, and I've been really happy with it. So as long as it stays reliable and robust, which I think it will, I'm gonna have no quibbles in recommending this to other people. So there we go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.